Stretching over 2.5 kilometres and combining retail and F&B outlets with beachfront relaxation, Meeras is a unique addition to Dubai's entertainment offerings. As with all retail destinations, Meeras required a BGM solution to ensure music filled its timber promenades. However, the high humidity and salinity of the coastal location meant that the installed solution would need to be more robust than most mall systems. Zio Technologies installed a solution comprising speakers and subs from Meyer Sound and Bose, all networked using QSC's Q-Sys. While the systems integrator has used all of these products individually before, Meeras was the first time it had installed them in this combination. This, along with the sheer scale of the installation, provided the main challenges for the integrator. It needed to install 21 rack rooms along the length of the project, networked to the central control room, to provide local control for the individual areas. Thanks to the support of manufacturers and suppliers, as well as the hard work of its installation team outside throughout the summer months, Zio has delivered a system that it is rightly proud of. You can read more about the project in the January-February edition of Pro AVL MEA.